Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Meta Quest 2 is updated and has enough battery. Once done, open the Oculus mobile app and enable developer mode for your headset. This unlocks sideloading options. Next, install SideQuest on your PC or prepare the Oculus mobile route if the game is listed on App Lab. Make sure your headset is paired with the app and your PC recognizes it over USB. This lets you transfer or install imcat files securely. You'll now choose the easiest path. If imcat is on App Lab, tap Install and wait for the cloud to push to your headset. If it's not, plug the Quest 2 into your PC, accept the USB debugging prompt inside the headset, and confirm trust. Then open SideQuest, locate the imcat package or build, and hit Install APK. While it installs, watch SideQuest for progress and ensure no USB disconnects occur. This prevents corrupted installs. You're ready to finish. Open Library on your Quest 2, go to Unknown Sources and launch imcat. Grant permissions the game requests. If the app doesn't appear, reboot the headset and recheck installation in SideQuest or App Lab. If the game crashes or won't start, reinstall the APK, clear temporary files by restarting the device, and review SideQuest logs for errors. Often a missing permission or a corrupted transfer is the cause, and repeating the install fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.